Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make jam filled butter cookies. These are extremely tasty and very simple, so let's get started. Alright, get a mixing bowl. I'm putting a 3/4 cup of softened butter. And 2/3 of a cup of sugar. Now just cream it together until it's white and fluffy. Now there are 2 egg yolks and just mix them in. Now get 1 3/4 cup of flour and just add it slowly while mixing at low speed. Alright, now get a baking tray, line it with some packing paper, and just get the mixture, roll it into a bowl, just place it on there, and then what you want to do is get your finger, poke a hole in the middle, and then you get some jam, any jam you like. I'm using raspberry. Just get rid of that and put it right into the middle. But not too much. Now pop this in the oven at about 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put them in for about 10 to 12 minutes and then it should be done. Alright, these are done. I'll just leave these here for about 10 to 15 minutes to cool and then we'll start eating them. Well, I've got some recipe for jam filled butter cookies, as you can see. Oh, the jam in the middle. Oh, these are so good. So, let's give it a taste. Absolutely scrumptious. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you on next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.